Hi everyone and happy quarantine. Like most of you, I'm kind of bored at home and constantly looking for things to do. So I decided I needed a new nightstand with a few little decorations on top. But here's the kicker. Everything that I'm going to be using is going to be from the 99-cent store and Daiso. Well, not everything. The spray paint and the acrylic gloss finish and the best glue ever, E6000, are from my local hardware store. But yeah, everything for the nightstand, for the planter, and for the candle holder are coming from Daiso in the 99-cent store. So if you're cheap like me and you like fun little hacks, then watch this video. Let's get started! So the first thing that I'm going to be making is my nightstand, of course, the vessel to hold all my cuteness and my cell phone and other things. Anyway, so for the nightstand, I got these items from the 99-cent store. I got these two planters, and they were actually $1.99. They really stepped it up at the 99. Not everything's $1 anymore. Just kidding, kind of. I also put my hair up because business is about to go down, and I also got this. I'm such a dork. I've been quarantining for way too long. I also got this photo display thing with this really not so me print on it, but I like it because it's wooden. And anytime I see something wooden at the dollar store, I always have to buy it because wooden things can be manipulated so easily, and they're sturdy and they're good quality and yada yada yada. I can go on and on forever about how much I love finding cheap wooden items that I can repurpose. So yeah, this one was actually $4.99, which is still not bad for a tabletop. And now switching over to Daiso. Daiso has awesome, they call it remake sheets, but it's really contact paper, and I like this one because it has a wooden print. I hope there's not a glare. It has a wooden print on it, so that's gonna look awesome on my tabletop. And they were $1.50 each. And then not from Daiso or the 99-cent store, but from my local hardware store, I got my black spray paint, my acrylic gloss sealant, and the best glue in the world, E6000. So yeah, let's go outside and get down to business. So while our planters are drying outside, it's the perfect time to work on the tabletop. So I went ahead and opened up the picture thing, whatever it was supposed to be used for, a picture display, and I cut off all the ropes that were, you know, going every which way. And luckily it came with really cute clothespins that I can save for another tutorial bonus. Okay, so we have that. And then I opened up the contact paper from Daiso, $1.50. Can you believe that? And all I have to do is put this down on it. Ooh, I am so lucky. It fits absolutely perfectly. And then you just take your pencil and you draw all the way around. La-di-da-di-dee. I cannot sing. I don't even know why I tried. All right. And I'm gonna cut that out and just adhere it to the front. Okay, now that I got my Starbucks, nobody cares, and cut out my circle, super easy. All I have to do is find a lifting point, which they're everywhere, like a sticker, a really difficult sticker, a sticker that doesn't like me, and pull it off. You want to be gentle with it. As you can see, it does have some folding points in it, but luckily I have this flat little thing from when I was in culinary school and when I used to cook professionally, but that's a whole nother story we'll get into. It's gonna smooth out the wrinkles and the folds and the bubbles and whatever. So I like to fit it on as best as I can. Ooh. And I had to buy extra contact paper just in case. Well, I didn't have to. I did because, you know, mess ups happen and I'm human and I'm not perfect, so. Okay, so now that I've got it on here, as you can see, there's bubbling and a few little, I don't know, it's not perfect, right? So take something flat, you can use a book, anything basically that has a nice flat edge, and you're just gonna push out all of the bubbles, and they come out really easily. Yeah, I love contact paper, honestly. You can use it to make anything look nice and brand new, whether it be cabinets, an old piece of furniture, anything, literally. Contact paper is the best way to bougie it up for cheap. And there you have it. La-di-da-di-da. I'm so excited right now. All right, everyone, so now that our spray paint, I cannot speak. Now that our spray paint has dried, comes my favorite part, the assemblage. And you're gonna take your really strong glue. I like E6000, but again, whatever you like. If you know of better glue that is stronger or more durable than E6000, please let me know, because I always wanna know these things. I can't open it. I don't advise doing that. I'm just kind of a savage sometimes. All right, so I'm just going to line the top of this with my really, really, really strong glue and pop my other planter right on top. Perfect. All right, so while this is drying, I got the brilliant idea, if I do say so myself, that I wanted it to, one, have a little more character, and two, I wanted to feel a bit more secure about the fusing of the two together, so I plugged my glue gun in, I brought my jute back out, and I am going to just go around the conjoining area with my glue gun. And I'm going to wrap some jute around. So let's do that. Oh, I like it already. Okay, everyone, so now that this is fully dry and stable, again, this jute part is completely optional. You are going to take your pizza, I'm just kidding, your tabletop, and you have one of two options. You can either put a bunch of glue on the rim of the planter and put it right on top, and voila. Or if you're like me and you like to eat in bed every single night, don't judge me. I like to have a little bit of a tray, and oh, bonus, you also get some storage in here. So I am not going to adhere this tabletop to here. I'm going to store all of my secrets in this top part, whatever you got, I don't know your life. And yeah, when I need this tray, I will have this tray. And when I don't, and for my next trick, I'm gonna be making a cute little candle box, candle holder thing, whatever. And I'm going to be doing it using 4 99-cent picture frames. I got these at the 99-cent store, and a glue gun, and that's it. I also got this pillar candle at the 99-cent store. I'm gonna start by removing the cute little family on the inside. I want one of these when I grow up. Just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding, but too personal. Okay, so take out the little family on the inside, and we actually don't need this either. All you're going to be left with is this, and make sure you shut the glass back in. So you're going to do that for all 4 of them. Now that we've removed all of the pieces we don't need, I did this little side for you guys really quick just so you could see, but I'll do it again. All you gotta do is move it, please. Take the inside part of the frame and your glue gun, not that close to your face though, And you want to go as close to the edge as possible, but also not too close, because you realize that when you squish the other frame on it, some of the glue might seep out, which is okay, because luckily with glue gun glue, it just kind of peels right off. And then you take your other frame outside, and you're just gonna put it right into the corner. And you just want to hold it there until the glue dries, which should be now. Oh my gosh. Okay, look how easy that is. Oh, some of the glue seeped out, but luckily, like I said, I can just pull it right off. Okay, so now that that's good and on there, I'm gonna get the other side that I did already, and we're going to put them together. So all you're gonna have to do is that. Just super easy. And so I'm going to glue right down on here. You gotta move a little quickly before the glue dries. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then right up on here. Ah, come on. Don't dry on me. Perfect. And just squish it down so it's stable. Hear that glass rattling? Cool. And there you have it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then you put your little candle inside, light it up. All right, and last but definitely not least, I'm gonna be making a cute little planter. I got this at the 99-cent store, 99 cents, and it's cute, and it's definitely fine as is. It's chic and it's modern looking and it's clean, but I wanted it to tie in more with the brown on the nightstand that I made. So I got some jute string at Daiso. This was only $1.50, and look how much I got. That's a lot of jute, okay? And I also got this succulent at the 99-cent store, but again, this was not 99 cents. It was $2.99, which is still great for a succulent. So for this project, all you need is a pair of scissors and a glue gun to complete it. So all you're gonna do is open up your jute, which I'm sure you guys don't need to see me do, but you're gonna see it anyway. Find a starting point. I am impulsive and don't like to wait for things, so I create my own starting point. And your glue gun, and all you're gonna do is just start. You can either do the jute at the top or the bottom. I think I wanna do mine at the top. So I'm going to start with the glue right on the edge. And you don't have to glue every single bit of the pot, just in like some main sticking points, right? So all you do is glue and twirl it all the way around. If you can cover the whole thing if you want, I'm only gonna go about halfway in. So I don't think you need to see me do that whole thing. I will show you the finished project. Okay guys, so I've finished wrapping my little plant pot up. I didn't go all the way to the halfway point. I actually kind of liked the way it looked like this, and I also got a little bit lazy. Okay everyone, we are now in my bedroom, and there's an odd glare going on. All right there's good. We are now in my bedroom, and I'm gonna show you the nightstand and how cute it is next to my bed. Wow, look at that glare. It's like an Instagram filter. What? I'm such a dork. Okay.